Starting a beauty salon and spa is an exciting venture filled with creativity and the opportunity to bring joy to others. Today, let's explore how you can make this dream a reality. First things first, you need a plan. Think of this as your roadmap. You'll want to outline your concept, services, target market, and financial projections. Are you more into hairstyling, or is skincare your passion? Maybe you want to offer a complete spa experience. Narrowing down your services will help set you apart. Next up, location. You'll need to find a spot that's convenient for your clients. Look for areas with good foot traffic or easily accessible parking. Remember, your salon's vibe starts with its location. Now, onto the fun part, designing your space. Think about the atmosphere you want to create. Cozy and intimate, or bright and modern? Your decor should reflect your brand and make clients feel at ease. A comfy waiting area and soothing treatment rooms can work wonders. Don't forget about technology to enhance your salon's operations. Invest in booking software that allows clients to schedule appointments online easily. Tools for managing inventory, payments, and customer data can save you time and make your business run more smoothly. Offering free Wi-Fi and a loyalty rewards program can also enhance your client's experience and keep them coming back. Let's talk about the nitty-gritty, licensing and permits. It's important to get this right. You'll need to check what's required in your area. LegalRegistration.com can assist you with this, making the process smoother. Staffing is crucial. You'll want to hire skilled professionals who are passionate about beauty and customer service. Whether you're hiring stylists, massage therapists, or estheticians, find people who share your vision. And of course, marketing. Get the word out about your new salon and spa. Social media is a great tool. Show off your services, run promotions, and engage with your audience. You might also consider hosting an opening event to attract locals. Finally, never stop learning. The beauty industry is always evolving with new trends and techniques. Keep your team updated with the latest training to stay ahead. Starting a beauty salon and spa is no small task, but with passion and the right support, you can create a thriving business. For all the legal and registration services you need to get started, head over to legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your beauty journey.